Okay, guys, this is going to be your warm up for the day. Remember, this is a what would Mrs. Brown do situation. Um, these are the most missed standards from our semester exam. This one is 7.4A, which is rate of change. So, just to refresh your memory, your learning objective I can represent constant rates of change in real world problems when given pictorial, so pictures, tabular tables, numeric numbers, graphical graphs, and algebraic representations. Okay, so I want you to do everything that I'm going to do, and all we're doing today is A. We'll do B, C, and D for the rest of the week, so please don't do those. Natasha has a job putting letters into envelopes to be mailed. In 1 hour, she put 42 letters in envelopes. Which equation best represents y, the total number of letters that she can put in envelopes, x, in x hours if she continues at this rate? So, guys, the one that makes the most sense to me, here's my x, here's my y, okay? In 1 hour, I could do 42 letters. In 2 hours, I'm going to double this, I could do 84. In 3 hours, I could do 126. Okay, so if I came up with an equation to represent what's happening here, remember our equations are going to be, they're going to begin with a y, so that crosses out A and C. So we have to determine if we have an additive relationship here or a multiplicative relationship. Well, a multiplicative relationship, if we sub in the hours, x, 42 letters for 1 hour equals 42. 42 letters, 2 hours, 84. So our correct answer for this one is D. Okay? And remember, all I want you to do is draw the table. Yes, you have to draw the table and mark the correct answer for this one. Okay? So again, this is the number of letters. This is the number of hours spent. Okay? And we're going to duplicate this over here in B tomorrow. But for now, you can just put this back into your box. Please write your name on it. A lot of you guys are still turning these into me without names on them, so then I can't figure out who they belong to. So please write your name on it right now and put it back in your bucket.